wanted to show you a science experiment we decided to try today. So my helper Mason is going to show you what we need.
First, you get one of these, a paper towel. Only let your dot help folding it into a card. And then you write a word, any word you want.
What kind of marker are you using?
Permanent.
A Sharpie?
Yeah.
So on the outside you can write a message if you want. And then on the inside, you can draw a picture. All right, so why don't you take the one you already did?
Okay. This is supposed to look like.
Here's his picture. So we're gonna put it on our plate with our name on. Oh, Mace, don't forget, put your paper on there. Paper first. And the picture is starting to come through from the bottom. All right, let's try the one that I did. Can I have the cup of the water, Mason? Okay, put it over the letters though so we can see the picture right underneath, over the letters. So you can see my sunshine right underneath. Look at that! A permanent marker, some markers, paper towel, and water. You can't go wrong with water. Thanks for checking it out. Mace, can you say bye?
Bye.